Hey everyone, it's Lions from Hitchin Up and Moving On. We're in Glacier Peaks RV Park. And I thought I'd give you a little video and walk around this campground.
Hi everybody, it's Dana
And Linus.
with Hitchin Up.
Moving on. There's a, and yeah, we're by a busy road. The road's right here. The mountain is in the background right there. You have the airport right over here. So you have some noise here, but this park is very clean. And my wife's actually in there. Dana's in there doing laundry. And I'll walk in there real quick. Yeah, a cute little Volkswagen Bug out there with a camper on it. And hi, honey.
Hello.
I'm doing a video.
I figured that.
This is their laundry, and it's really nice in there.
It is very nice in here.
Move this back a little bit.
They have a good assortment of machines.
And she's probably almost done.
Yeah. Yep.
And
9 minutes left on the dryer.
very clean, nice place.
Yeah.
And you're pushing the time limit, aren't you?
No, you're not supposed to start one at 6:30
Yeah,
because they close at 8,
they do.
and the office is already closed.
Yeah, he's walking around doing stuff.
Yeah.
So I thought I'd walk the park real quick.
Okay. All right. I'll be
I'm
back
doing
in a
better.
while.
So bye.
Bye.
Keep your pants on.
They're on hangers.
Don't wreck my truck. And this is your office right here that you check in at. And then you have an after hours check-in right here that you'd use if you're not going to be here. And this is sites that they have. Glacier Peaks RV. Well, pretty neat place. They have some entertainment for the kids. An old antique buggy out here. Up there in front. We've enjoyed it here. It's been really quiet for the people. I mean, you get the noise, but you know, I sleep at night. Doesn't matter. I turn the air conditioner or something on, fan on, and I don't hear the noise. So it's pretty nice here. And then over here, I think they had a basketball court right there, and I think they're working on it. A welcome center here. And I'll walk over here for a minute, see what this says. I don't know what this is over here. Probably this is a place where you pull in, I would think, and check in. Welcome to the pollinator garden. Okay, the local wildflowers should feed the butterflies and the bees and stuff. Oh, that's cute. That's pretty neat. They really try hard to make it look nice here. They really do. You got rows and rows of campers. They're all pretty close to each other, but most are all full hookup here. Runs about 65 hours a night. We have a 30 amp, which is plenty. The weather here has been great. So they have a playground over here for the kids. And kids have been down here playing quite a bit. And as you can see, the campground, they're all spread out just about, I don't know, 10, 12 foot apart. And I'm not going to walk every one of these rows, but I'm just going to give you an idea of what it's like here. Not a ton of stuff to do, but you're close, you know, and you can run over to Glacier National Park. You do what you need to do. You got a pretty good view of the mountains here. When we got here, it was so smoky you couldn't see them. They had wildfires going on, but they have plenty of sites left open. I think if we wanted to stay longer, we could, but you know, we're heading out of here Saturday to a different place. But like I said, most of them have water and sewer. Not everyone, but I think almost all of them do. I was going to see if this one site did. It's a little cheaper, I believe, if they don't have the sewer. So, but there's a couple pull-through. Well, these are all pull-through sites here. It makes it easy if you're just coming in for a night to come in one night and leave, be gone. And back behind the store here, it's actually pretty quiet. But yeah, I don't know exact number on how many's full hookup, but like that one's full hookup. This is all full hookup row. This is where we're at down through here. I got some pictures I've taken. We got some full-timers living in here, but they've been very quiet. I guess they rent out by the month if you want, or even by the year. You know? I met a couple of neighbors. They're super nice. We're right here. But we got one of the in-lots right here. It's got a little bit more grass. Well, I want to call it grass. It's been so hot and dry here, they don't have much grass. And so, let's see, I can tell you, a couple of these campers are in here. Been here all year. I don't know what the rate is for yearly. But I met a couple named George and Lisa over here. They have their Winnebago, and I was talking to him. He's a really nice guy. They've been married 7, I believe, years, 8 years. They met, and super sweet couple. And he asked me if I needed anything because I hurt my ribs and hurt my side. I guess he was just seeing if I need anything, but walking around this way here a little bit because I didn't have any video on the rest of the park over here I could use the walk. After being laid up for a few days, walking's good for me. More than a few days. I'm still laid up some. And you got all the bathrooms and stuff. Any place you get in has got security codes on it, so nobody else can just walk in there and use them. They're kept very clean. We haven't been able to use them because we have our own bathroom, but there's a lot of campers here that are sliding campers on the back of trucks. Well, I've seen 7 or 8 of them in here. That's because of all the short areas, little areas to park when you're at different campgrounds. See, it says Glacier customers only. And if I walk up and try to go in, you can't get in. You gotta, I don't think I'm not sure if these have no, they're open. There was somebody in there, so I don't want to say too much in there. Then you go down this way. There's a couple of these little houses. They got cabins here to rent. You can rent. And I'll see if I can throw some prices together on stuff before I end this video. I think Dana's about done with laundry. So maybe we can eat something pretty soon. But they have a picnic area out here and a place for tents out here too. So you can stay out here with tent camping. As you can see, there's some tenters camping right back in there. So I brought my drink. Very nice setup, really. Actually, you know, I think there's some full-timers here. Like this guy looks like he's been here for a while. From Idaho. You know, he might stay for a month. He may work here. You know, you don't know what people's situation is. Good water pressure. Power seems consistent. We have 40 pounds of water pressure, every bit of. And so please like and subscribe and keep watching our videos. We're going to try to shoot a lot more videos, but I'm going to still show you some of the cabins over here. Yeah, there's a little picnic area right here. This is really to keep nice grass in there. I think they're trying to get grass back. It's hard to do because I saw them watering. You don't see very many campgrounds with water or grass. This place was watering or grass the other day. And I think that's impressive, actually, that they've taken the money, especially in a drought. This has been a drought down here. And there's your little cabins right here. They have cute little cabins. I don't know what they call it. G and F. And they look well kept. I'm sure all there's a small shed turned into a little sleeping. But you know, out here it stays fairly cool. So at nights we was at 48 degrees last night and got up to about 78 today. And looks like they have some storage over here. I'm not sure who's that for, but and then and here's two more cabins sitting over here, and they are little. Have some fans, no air conditioning, probably one little sleeping unit in them. And I've seen some people out here eating lunch, and they was only staying for a day or so, or probably a day. And, but we got more restrooms over here. But you see the laundry room they had. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed this review of the campground, but we're out.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control.
This is Linus. Dana's in there doing laundry, so she didn't get to walk with me. But we're hitching up and moving on. The best is yet to see. Please like and subscribe to our videos and leave us some feedback. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.
For you, you made it easy for me, yeah. Nothing that you could ever do would make me leave you, baby.